Doctors and nurses insist the strike is still on, even after Employment and Labor Relations Judge Hellen Wasilwa ordered them to call off a strike. Now, officials of the Kenya Medical Practitioners, Pharmacists and Dentists Union appeared before Judge Wasilwa this morning at the Industrial Court in Nairobi.
Doctors and nurses flocked the industrial court in Milimani as officials of the Kenya Medical Practitioners, Pharmacists and Dentists Union presented themselves before the Employment and Labor Court Judge Hellen Wasilwa. Judge Wasilwa directed the officials to follow a court order issued before the strike commenced on the 5th of this month and call off the strike immediately.
The court directs that the strike ceases immediately.
It comes to the matter. Earlier, the Council of Governors had moved to court against the union, arguing that the medical practitioners are on an unlawful and unprotected strike, thereby gravely affecting the health and well-being of patients.
Also, let's listen to them, whether they're able to call the strike maybe between now and maybe tomorrow morning. The court. It's a serious matter. A lot of people have lost their lives, and we have asked the court, as you will see, that the officials take personal responsibility and liability for any injuries that have arisen out of the strike.
We will consult with our members to and then come back after we swear all this in an affidavit with our legal team so that it is on record.
Some of the principles we follow is that when a court order is issued, whether you like it or not, you obey it first. Then you question it. You don't say, oh, the government is playing with us, let us go and report. You don't do that. Then you'll be considered to be in contempt of court and you'll be punished by the court.
However, the medical practitioners are still on strike.
This strike action was very well considered. And we already did state that all the doctors are requesting for is implementation of the collective bargaining agreement. And we already did state, even from the beginning, that nothing will stop us from getting that CBA implemented. So far, we are on strike. Our members are on strike. And we as a union are telling our members that the strike continues.
In the meantime, the nurses union maintains that nurses are still on strike. The parties, Kenya Medical Practitioners, Pharmacists and Dentists Union and the Council of Governors are expected to appear again in court on Monday next week for further direction. Halima Gongo, NTV.